Prepare for a journey into the heart of Alaska, where its inhabitants try to survive. It's Nature at 8. Then, on 2 Hours of Nova, physicist Brian Greene unlocks the secrets of the universe. See nature and science collide. Prepare for a journey to the edge of North America, where polar bears try to survive. It's Nature at 8. Then on 2 Hours of Nova, physicist Brian Greene takes you into the realm of quantum physics. And there are more dimensions than meet the eye. See nature and science collide